The first way to access the Continuity of Education website is through the bit.ly. If you type the bit.ly into your web browser, it will take you directly to the Continuity of Education site. The second way to access the Continuity of Education site is through the LCPS Distance Learning Scope and Sequence for Elementary School page. At the top of this page, you can see the Continuity of Education link. Simply click on that to go to the site. Another way to access the Continuity of Education site is through the K-5 Math 4th Quarter Scope and Sequence spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is particularly helpful because it lays out the different topics covered in each of the hyperdocs. Notice that the grade levels are at the bottom of the spreadsheet for you to navigate. At the top of column E, there is a link to the Continuity of Education site. When you are on the Continuity of Education site, click on LCPS Resources Elementary. This will take you to the page with all of the elementary school hyperdocs. There is a friendly reminder here to make a copy of any resources that you use. It is also recommended that you favorite this page for easy access. When we scroll to the bottom, we will see all of the different hyperdocs created for elementary schools. If you do not see the hyperdocs, you may see a message from Awesome Table. Click on that message and allow access to Awesome Table by logging into your LCPS account. Once you do that, you should see all of the hyperdocs. If you click on Folder, you can organize the hyperdocs by content. Let's look at Math. Here we can see all of the different hyperdocs the Math department has created for elementary schools. Let's click on one. Once you are in the hyperdoc, notice that you are in view-only mode. This means that you cannot make any edits to the document. In order to make edits, you must click File and make a copy. Be sure to copy the entire presentation if you are working with a slide deck. When you look through the hyperdocs, you will notice yellow highlighted areas marked as teacher notes. Be sure to read through these carefully as they have special instructions for the teachers to modify the lessons for their students. Be sure to delete the yellow highlighted areas off of the slide deck so that the students do not see them. For additional questions, you may contact Nicole Akers or Cynthia Brady at the emails provided on this screen.